Imagine opening your laptop one morning and it already knows exactly what you need before you touch a single key. Sounds like science fiction. By 2030, it might just be reality. What secrets are hidden inside the laptops you'll own 5 years from now? Today, we're stepping into the future to uncover how AI-powered laptops could change everything about your digital life. How did we get here? We've come a long way from the chunky plastic bricks of the early 2000s. But the next leap isn't just about speed or design. It's about laptops that think, anticipate, and adapt as if they have a mind of their own. AI copilots, the brain in every laptop. Picture this. Your laptop not just obeying commands, but finishing sentences, scheduling meetings, turning mind maps into presentations. Almost like a second brain on your desk. Adaptive hardware, smarter than you think, efficient mode for a meeting. Fed up with lag or battery drain? The laptops of 2030 will use AI to monitor what you're doing and optimize every second. Faster gaming, longer movies, and even automatic fixes for tech problems before you know they exist. Hyper-personalized workflows. Will your next laptop read your mind? Not quite, but it will learn your workflow and adapt tools and shortcuts, reshaping itself to fit how you create, learn, and work. The screenless revolution. Are screens obsolete? Classrooms. Bored of staring at a screen? Get ready for laptops seamlessly blending AI with AR glasses and smart environments. The entire world could become your digital workspace. Security like never before. Can AI stop hackers being locked out? Your future laptop doesn't just log you in with a scan. It learns your habits, your typing rhythm, the way you move, making it virtually impossible for cyber intruders to sneak through. Time to imagine. Are you ready? What would you do with a laptop that thinks for itself? Predict tomorrow's news? Design the next big thing? Or maybe just get your homework done before you even ask? If this glimpse of the future blew your mind, smash that like button, subscribe for the latest tech magic, and tell us which AI feature are you most excited to see inside your next laptop? See you in 2030. Comment your choice.